The UR3 Robot Vacuum Combo boasts a powerful cyclone suction reaching 5,000 Pascal, making it highly effective at cleaning both cereal crumbs and pet hair from various surfaces. Thanks to its advanced Lidar navigation and smart obstacle avoidance, this robot vacuum navigates effortlessly around furniture and avoids falling down stairs. This versatile device combines sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping functions, allowing you to customize cleaning settings for different rooms through an app. The tangle-free roller brush and large-capacity self-emptying station mean less maintenance, with the ability to go up to 70 days without needing to empty the bin. With multiple control options, including app, voice, and remote control, managing cleaning tasks is convenient, whether you are at home or away. Its slim design and quiet operation make it ideal for cleaning under low-clearance furniture, while its ability to remember different floor plans suits multi-story homes.